Here we have a thunderstorm over wow, I've never seen so many flashes before like that. Oh my god, oh my god. This is a warning sign from Jehovah, because I've been, oh no, what is going on? Oh dear, you seen this, Trish? This is, oh wow, amazing. Oh, I'm glad I've got this on video. This is a warning sign from Jehovah that the North Icombe congregation and Watchtower are about to fall. So this will be very interesting. That is a severe thunderstorm. I've never seen anything like it. And I'm getting a bit wet now, to be honest. Good job my phone's waterproof. Trish, can you just move that speaker behind me? I've got to keep this. Just move the chair and the speaker so I can push the door back. That's it. Just push the door back. And it's raining now. Yeah, Watchtower is definitely going to fall. I was watching a video on YouTube when the thunderstorm started, and as soon as I heard the thunder and saw the lightning, I was watching a video by Hans Zimmer, and it was "I will change the world." So Jehovah's obviously doing a miracle now to show what is going to happen very soon. I mean, that is such a severe thunderstorm, to be honest. I mean, it's flashing every second. There's not thunder with it though, strangely enough. Just a bit of rumble. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a sign from Jehovah. Watchtower, we're near close to Watchtower falling now, and the stock market is going to crash hopefully in the next 30 days. The date today is the 27th of August 2019. I think the time's round about 9 o'clock. 9 in the Bible is to do with judgment. So oh no, look at this. It's amazing. This is the worst thunderstorm I've ever seen. I'll try and keep up the videos for as long as I can. You was right, Trish. It was flashing. I mean, it's flashing out the front. I mean, out the back you can see it, but it's actually out the front the storm is. I've never seen it like this before. I mean, that is severe, isn't it? That's definitely a warning sign from Jehovah. Something's happening. North Icombe congregation going to be destroyed very soon. I'm getting a bit wet now. Yeah, it's throwing it down. I'm getting a bit wet, but I want to just keep this up. Yeah, my phone's getting wet now. I'm going to stop now. We'll stop the video. Goodbye for now. Here we are at the back now of my house. Just taking a video of the front of the storm, but it's over in the north now. I'm not getting as wet here. I've never seen, me and Trish have just said we've never seen flashes every few seconds like that. There's definitely something going on here. Something supernatural. I have no doubt Jehovah's doing this as a sign for the North Icombe congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses at Birchwood Avenue. the Birchwood Kingdom Hall and the Watchtower are going to crash, because this is an absolute incredible storm. The thing is, you're seeing the lightning, but you're not actually physically hearing much thunder. So it is a bit strange, really. It doesn't make sense. But yeah, this is towards the north now. Oh no, look at that. But I think this is a sign from Jehovah that the stock market is going to crash soon. As I said, the date is the 27th of August 2019, and I've just taken a video out the front, and that was exactly at 9 o'clock. And 9 in the Bible is to do with judgment. So I think this is God's judgment on Watchtower, to be honest, because this storm is absolutely incredible. Here we go, some thunder there. It doesn't seem to be thundering every time it flashes though. Wow, I love this. Warning to the North Highcombe congregation elders. You have had it, mate, because the Son of God has arrived. I am the Son of God, the Christ, the Messiah, the chosen one of Israel. And this is a sign from Jehovah that Watchtower is soon going to fall. And before that, I believe there will be a stock market crash, possibly on the 9th, 10th or 11th. The 11th of September 2019 is the anniversary of 9/11 to Twin Towers. And if you take the Bethel address in London of Jehovah's Witnesses, their address is Watchtower, the Ridgeway, London. And in those words as an anagram you find World Trade Center, Twin Tower. So that's absolutely amazing. But this storm is not stopping. I mean, those bright lightning just then. Oh, here we go with the thunder. They're not always thundering exactly. That's an amazing storm. But yeah, I'll save these videos so they'll get them off my phone. Sort of dying down a bit now, I think. Passing over. But that storm is right over my head. Oh no, look at that. Wow. Where's the thunder? That's very bright light, that. No thunder there, Trish. Oh, here we go. Wow, I love this storm. Watchtower are going down. Down, down. Oh, that's really bright now. But I've never sort of seen so many flashes like that in the sky. And they're not always accompanied by thunder, so I don't know why that is. I would have thought thunder would be on every single one of them, but it's a bit unusual. Oh, so bright. But this is definitely a warning sign from Jehovah. This thunderstorm is supernaturally produced by Jehovah, I'm sure. And there we go with the thunder again. It's funny, you get a bit of thunder, a bit of lightning, and then you get a massive roll of thunder, but the brighter lights don't seem to produce the thunder, so that's a bit strange. Yeah, it's still brightening up. This is the best storm I have ever seen. Honestly, it's just amazing.
Yeah.
The end is coming for Watchtower. Jehovah has given a clue to when the Watchtower is going to end, and that's very soon by this storm, because this is an amazing storm. It's lasting quite a while, but I think I'll call it a day there, to be honest. Okay, oh, that's just one more bright one, just Jehovah saying that's it, Watchtower are going to fall. Bye for now.